Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we are going to solve some exercise questions 1 to 7, exercise 1F of chapter 1. Chapter name is Knowing Our Numbers of class 6 of Composite Mathematics Textbook. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. And if you like this video, then please click the like button. Today we will learn and solve exercise 1F questions 1 to 7 of chapter 1. Chapter name is knowing our numbers and topic is estimating the numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Let's solve some questions. Now question number 2, rounding up to the nearest 10, what numbers could be estimated as first bit is 60. We have to find the numbers, which numbers rounded up to the nearest 10 we get 60. So if unit place digit is less than 5, then that number rounded to the nearest 60, that is 61. Unit place digit if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 60, is 61, 62, 63, 64. Now this 61 rounded to the nearest 10 will be this one is less than 5. So 61 rounded to nearest 10 is 60. 62 rounded to nearest 10 is 60. And 63, here 3 also less than 5. So 63 rounded to nearest 10 is 60. 64 rounded to nearest 10 is 60. Now if the unit place digit is more than 5, that is we have to add 1 to the tens place digit. Now if 55, that is this 5, here 5 is equal to 5, that is we have to add 1 to this tens place digit. This 5 changes to 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. And this 5 unit place digit 5 changes to 0. This 5 is more than 1, that is 5 plus 1 is 6. And this 5 unit place digit 5 changes to 0. So 55 rounded to nearest 10 is 60. So it will be 55, then 56 and 57, 58 and 59. Here 56, 6 is more than 5. So we have to add 1 to the tens place digit. This 5 changes to 5 plus 1, that is 6. And this 6 changes to 0, that is 56 rounded to nearest 10 is 60. And 57 rounded to nearest 10 will be 60 because 7 is more than 5. And 58 rounded to nearest 10 will be 60 because 8 is more than 5. And 59 also rounded to nearest 10 is 60 because 9 is more than 5. Now second bit 40. The number is 40. We have to find the numbers which are rounded to the nearest 10. The number will be 40. Now if the unit digit is less than 5 and more than 5, that is less than 5 means 61. If unit digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 40, 41, 42, 43, unit place digit 44. 1, 2, 3, 4, unit place digit is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 41 rounded to nearest 10 is 40. 42 also rounded to nearest 10 will be 40 because 2 is less than 5. And 43 rounded to nearest 10 is 40 because 3 is less than 5. And 44 rounded to the nearest 10 will be 40 because 4 is less than 5. Now 35. If the unit place digit is 5, then we have to add 1 to the tens place digit, that is 35. Here unit place digit is 5, that is equal to 5, and we have to add 1 to this tens place digit, that is 3 changes to 3 plus 1, that is 3 plus 1 is 4, and this 5 changes to 0, that is 35 rounded to the nearest 10 is 40. 35 and this 36. Here 6 is more than 5, so we have to add 1 to this 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, and 6 changes to 0, 40. And 37 rounded to nearest 10 will be 40 because 7 is more than 5, and 38 because 8 is more than 5, and 39 because 9 is more than 5. So we have to add 1 to this 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, and this 9 changes to 0. So the numbers are 41, 42, 43, 44, and 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. These are the numbers rounded to the nearest 10. We get 40. Now third bit, 130. We have to find the numbers which numbers rounded up to the nearest 10. The number will be 130. If the unit place digit, if any number rounded to the nearest 10, if the unit place digit is more than 5 or less than 5. So here 30. Here unit place digit is 0 and tens place digit is 3. So if we write unit place digit is 1, that is 31. 1, 10 unit place digit 2, 3 and 4. The numbers are 131, 132, unit place digit 2, 133, 134. And if the unit place digit is more than 5, that is if the if it is more than 5, then we have to add 1 to the tens place digit. If the tens place digit is 2 and unit place digit is 5, that is 125. 125 rounded to the nearest 10 will be this 5 is more than 5, and this tens place digit 2 changes to 2 plus 1, that is 3, and this 5 changes to 0, so it will be 130. So the number is 125. 125, then 126. Here unit place digit is 6, so we have to add 1 to this tens place digit, that is 2 changes to 3, and this 6 changes to 0, that is 130. 130. Then 127 also rounded to the nearest 10 will be 130 because 7 is more than 5, so we have to add 1 to this tens place digit 2. Now 128 is rounded to the nearest 10 will be 130 because 8 is more than 5, and 129 rounded to the nearest 10 will be 130 because 9 is more than 5, so we have to add 1 to this tens place digit 2. So the numbers are 131, 132, 133, 134, 125, 126, 127, 128 and 129. Rounded to the nearest 10 will be 130. Now fourth bit, 780. Here if unit place digit is less than 5 and more than 5, then this the number will be 80. Here tens place digit is 8 and unit place digit is 0. So the number will be, the unit place digit is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the numbers are 781. Unit place digit is 1. 1 is less than 5, so we have to don't add 1 to this tens place digit, just write down 8 as it is, and this 1 changes to 0, that is 781. Rounded to the nearest 10 will be 780. Now 782 because 2 is less than 5. 782 rounded to the nearest 10 will be 780. Now 783, 784, and this 4 is less than 5, so 784 rounded to the nearest 10 will be 780. Now if the unit place digit is more than 5, that is 7, tens place digit will be 7, then that will be 7 changes to 7 plus 1, so it will be 775. The number is 775 because 5 is equal to 5, and this 7 changes to 7 plus 1, We have to add 1 to this tens place digit, that is 7 changes to 7 plus 1, that is 8, and this 5 unit place digit 5 changes to 0. Now 775 rounded to the nearest 10 will be 780. Now 776 also number, then 777, 778 and 779. These are the numbers rounded to the nearest 10 will be 780. Now question number 50. The number is 1600. We have to find the numbers which rounding up to the nearest 10, the number will be 1600. If if the unit place digit is less than 5, then here tens place digit is 0 and unit place digit is 1. If the unit place digit is less than 5, then the numbers rounded to the nearest 10 will be 1600, that is 1600, 1, it is 1. Unit digit 1 less than 5, that will be rounded to the nearest 10 will be 1600. Then 1602, 1602, then 1603, 1604, and if we use the number 1605, here unit place digit is 5, which is equal to 5, so we have to add 1 here in tens place digit. It will be 1610, so it will be incorrect. So don't write this number, just up to 1604. Then here if we use 5 in the unit place digit, that is 1095. Then 95, then it will be 5 changes equal to 5, so we have to add 1 in tens place digit. It will be 9 plus 1, that is 10. So we have to add 1 to this 100 place digit, that is 5 plus 1 is 6. Now it will be 1595, rounded to the nearest 10 will be 1600. So next number will be 1596, 1597, 1598, 1599. These are the numbers rounding up to the nearest 10 will be 1600. These are the numbers. Now sixth bit, 4000. Here unit place digit is 0, tens place also 0 and 100 place also 0. So the numbers that rounded up to the nearest 10 will be 4000, will be 4001. Unit place digit must be less than 5. Then it will be 1, 4002, 4003, 4004. If we use 4005, then here unit place digit is 5, which is equal to 5, so we have to add 1 this tens place digit, that will be 0 changes to 1, then it will be 4010. Here 4000 is given, so this is incorrect. Now if we use 5 in the tens place digit, that is 4005, 4000, here also 9, 9, here 9, and here it is 3. This unit place digit is 5, which is equal to 5, so we have to add 1 to this tens place digit. Now it is 9 plus 1 is 10, and then carry over 1, add to this 100 place digit, that is 9 plus 1 is 100. 9 plus 1 is 10, then this carry over 1 in the 100 place digit, add with the 1000 place digit, that is 3 plus 1 is 4. Now 3995 rounded up to the nearest 10 will be 4000. So it is correct number. Now 3996, here 6 is more than 5. 3997, 3998, 3999. These are the numbers rounded up to the nearest 10 will be 4000. Because the unit place digit is less than 5, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and unit place digit is more than 5, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here unit place digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to add 1 to this tens place digit, that is 9 plus 1 is 10. Then this 1 carry over add with the 100 place digit. Now the 100 place digit is 10. Now this 1 carry over 1 add with the 1000 place digit. It will be 3 plus 1, that is 4. So these are the numbers rounded up to the nearest 10 will be 4000. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.